Meaning of disclaimer.
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 Disclaimer. A disclaimer is a statement that denies or limits the legal responsibility for something. It is often used to protect individuals or organizations from being held responsible for any negative consequences that may arise from using their products or services. A disclaimer can be found in various forms such as on websites, products, contracts, and advertisements. By including a disclaimer, the liability of the individual or organization is reduced or eliminated, providing a warning to users and limiting potential legal action against them.